real-time face and gesture recognition system built with Python. This interface just doesn't detect, it responds. So, project purpose and goals. My system uses OpenCV and mediapipe to detect facial expression and hand gestures live. These gestures are then converted into verbal responses like yes, no, and good. It is designed to solve real-world problems from accessibility to military communication. Technologies, OpenCV and mediapipe. The engine for this system is powered by two main tools: OpenCV for real-time video processing and webcam capture, and mediapipe, which handles precise face and hand tracking with low latency performance. Gestures and expression recognition. It recognizes gestures like nodding for yes, shaking sideways for no, and thumbs up for good. Facial expressions such as smiling, frowning, neutral are also detected. All gestures trigger verbal feedback immediately with 95% accuracy in control tests. Think disabled individuals. This system is a game changer for people with motor impairments. It allows hands-free control of devices, simplifies communications, cuts cost up to 80% compared to eye tracking tech, and can even replace voice commands for those who can speak. Military operations. In military fields, silence is the key. The system helps soldiers convey commands silently, operate drones and gear handles free, and enhances situational awareness, increasing efficiency up to 25%. I'll show you the demo. Then watch as I perform the live gestures, nodding, shaking and thumbs up, and listen to how the system responds in real time. It's flexible too, and you can add or modify gestures too easily. Okay, so it's the last slide and it's conclusion and future. In conclusion, this Python-based project proves how AI can improve real-world interactions. The future includes expanding the gesture library, the improvement with edge computing, and connecting to more platforms. This is just the beginning. If you like my videos, please drop a like, and to get the latest updates, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. See you in the next part because I teach you how you can create your own part this time.